and expressions. Our story for today is I Am a Superhero. Listen carefully. I am a superhero.
Hi, I am Peter Parker. I live in New York. I am not an ordinary person. I am Spider-Man. I lost my parents in a car accident when I was a child, so I live with my aunt. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. and head to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and take a shower. After that, I go to the kitchen. When I get there, I always find my aunt is preparing breakfast for me. We eat breakfast together. My favorite breakfast is toast with jam and milk. Then I pack my backpack, including my special suit, and go out. I go to the top of a tall building, and from there, I observe the city. Then I go to other parts of the city to check if anyone needs help. Sometimes, in a narrow alley in New York, thieves try to steal a lady's purse. I go there and take the purse from the thieves and return it to the lady. In New York, there is a reporter who doesn't like me very much and keeps asking the police to catch me. He believes that I'm causing chaos in the city, and I am New York's problem. Maybe he's right. I also help the police. Sometimes thieves attack stores or banks and rob them. The police chase them, and I help the police to catch them. There are also some bad people in the city. They are different and have special powers, like the lizard. I fight with them too. At the end of the day, when I am sure the city is safe, I return home late, and my aunt is asleep. I quietly enter my room through the window, because I don't want to wake her up. Then I change my clothes, and exhausted, I lie down on the bed and fall asleep. No one knows that I am Spider-Man. My identity must remain a secret, because if they find out, the lives of those who know me will be in danger. I always remind myself that with great power comes great responsibility.